What's up guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to tell you how to use Binance and cloud mining. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open the Binance app. Here you can trade in currencies, and you can also buy here a cryptocurrency. Buy and sell. And then cloud mining. Click on more service and scroll down and find cloud mining. And now you can see the currently the cloud mining is sold out. After they open again the cloud mining, they will give you a multiple option to buy a cloud mining. So here's the notification you can read. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.